Not be papi with that. Papi, what's happen? Jesus, the blood of Jesus. What's happen? They hit you hammer.
Alloy, no dey touch. Alloy easy.
You are who fight. What's happen?
Now my head and my hand you dey see. Jesus. My back where they pay me unko.
What's happen?
Not be Vodi carry me go Davido wedding.
Davido wedding yesterday.
I did my own. Vodi say my follow and go Lagos for Davido wedding.
No wonder I don't see your picture. You get accident.
Not be if I get accident for better. I stand though.
Jesus.
Now they spray $100 come fly.
Yes,
reach my leg.
Yes, nah. No,
I say to my leg come scratch me. I can't say my bend down scratch my leg.
Yeah.
If I know now this guy whether na DSS have been a police, have been a bouncer, he just use one iron hit me for my back. What?
Jesus.
If I go say make I explain say anything, the guy just knock me for my head with the iron.
Jesus.
Now I tell he say what happen? I say my leg they scratch me. Now I bend down to scratch my leg. He say I want pick the dollar. Man stretch that hand. Why I want to pick the dollar? Now he knock me the iron for hand.
Wait, he said when he stretch hand, he still stretch hand.